Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Vega curler at home with an easy method. First, make sure your hair is completely dry and free of tangles. This ensures smooth curling and prevents damage. Next, always apply a good quality heat protectant. This crucial step shields your hair from the curler's heat. Finally, section your hair neatly. This makes the curling process much more manageable and efficient. Now let's get to the curling. Take a small section of hair, roughly 1 inch wide. Open the clamp, place the curler near your roots and wrap the hair smoothly around the barrel, away from your face. Hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds, depending on your hair type and desired curl intensity. Then, gently release the clamp and let the curl drop naturally. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding these curling tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more beauty guides. And on another note, imagine listening to your favorite curling playlist while styling your hair. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find the link for this amazing product and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once all your hair is curled, resist the urge to touch them immediately. Let the curls cool down completely. This is key for them to set and last longer. After they've cooled, gently run your fingers through them to break them up slightly for a more natural, softer appearance. Finally, mist your hair with a light hold hairspray to ensure your gorgeous curls stay put all day.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.